Master the art of effortless file sharing on your Mac with this comprehensive Dropbox guide. First, let's get Dropbox installed. Head over to the Dropbox website and download the Mac application. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to install Dropbox on your computer. After installation, you'll be prompted to sign in or create a new Dropbox account. If you're new, signing up is quick and easy once logged in. Dropbox will guide you through a brief setup process, often asking you to choose which folders you'd like to sync. You'll notice the Dropbox folder now appears in your Finder sidebar. This is where all your synced files and folders will reside. Any changes you make here will automatically sync to your other devices and vice versa. To add files to Dropbox, simply drag and drop them directly into your Dropbox folder. You can also create new folders within your Dropbox to keep things organized, and these new folders will also sync across your devices. Now, for the magic of sharing. Right-click on any file or folder within your Dropbox and select Copy Dropbox Link. This generates a unique web link that you can share with anyone. Paste this link into an email, a message, or anywhere else. The recipient can then click the link to view or download your shared files directly from their web browser. No Dropbox account required for them. For more control, you can also share directly with specific people through the Dropbox website. Visit the Dropbox website, navigate to the file or folder you wish to share, and choose the sharing options to invite collaborators via email. This allows you to set specific permissions, like whether they can edit the files or just view them. As you add or modify files, keep an eye on the Dropbox icon in your Mac's menu bar. It shows the sync status, letting you know when your files are up to date across all your devices, and that's it. You're now ready to share files seamlessly on your Mac with Dropbox.